Turn on the power switch. Set the generator to manual mode. Loosen the two locking handles on the left side of the machine. Shake the hand wheel on the right side of the machine clockwise. The nose rises gradually.
Use the connecting screw to lift a welding to prevent the welding hole from loosening. Fix and lock the welding hole with a wrench.
Press the start button with both hands at the same time. Start shaking the right hand wheel counterclockwise. The position of the nose and the plane is gradually reduced. When that nose contacts the bottom plane, start adjusting the parallelism of the welding horn. Loosen the 4 balance screws first. Adjust the direction and position of welding horn.
Adjust the plane by tapping left, right, back and forward.
Observe and confirm that the plane of the welding horn is parallel to the bottom surface.
At the same time, the front and rear are locked in opposite directions, and the 4 balance screws are locked in opposite directions.
Turn on the emergency stop button. Put the bottom tooling into the product on the table. Shake the hand wheel to adjust the distance between the welding horn and the bottom tool. After the position is adjusted, place lock the position of the tooling with a pressure plate. After adjusting the mechanical parts, lock the two handles